be giggly.
I mean, you can be giggly. I don't care. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Deborah, the ordinary gal. As you can see, I have a little company right here. This is my daughter. We're gonna be really super giggly, so don't mind us, okay? We're gonna be doing the Ipsy daughter versus mother challenge, or not challenge, I guess, just like opening. So she got hers. I gave her as a free gift, and then she liked it, or she forgot to stop it and got charged another month and got hers. The only thing though, it's a scandal because for a fact I know that she did get an older bag that I've had before. Not the stuff in it, like not the same stuff, but just like a different bag. So we'll check that out. But this is my Ipsy. I haven't opened yet. I have a lot of add-ons, but I will do that in another video, not in this one. Okay, see? We got different bags. And I know that I already have that bag. I just showed it to her. I don't remember what came in it. It's not the same stuff. We didn't get the same stuff, but this is definitely this month's July bag. So, yeah. But, okay.
You go first.
Okay. This is really cute, though. I really like it. It's a really nice vinyl. I love the vibes and like the color situation going on, pink and blue. And then it has this little airplane on it, on the little charm handle thing. And then that's what it looks like when we first open. She was too embarrassed to come on here with me, but I made her.
Do I have to show them my card?
Yeah, show them. See, like, she got the same card as I did. So we both got the same card, which is weird, but she did get like a couple months bag. So yeah, you want to go in first?
No, you go first.
Okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out is, ooh, I'm excited. Yeah, I'm excited about this one. I really, really do love this primer. It is one of my favorite, especially during summer and stuff like that. Oh, this is actually a lip oil. This is not the primer.
Oh, what the heck?
I thought it was the primer. Okay, I actually have this lip oil. I thought it was the primer because I think I did see that as one of your choices. When
That's really good too, though.
Yeah, this one is really good. I freaking love the way this smells. I just love it in general. So I am really happy about that one. Lip oil.
Okay, my first. So I got the banana setting powder. I don't know who it's by.
Let me see. It's by, it looks like it just says BP. Oh wait. Puder
Oh, I just can't read it.
Fixante. She's kind of blind, so.
I have my contacts in.
But yeah.
First product.
Okay, I'm gonna pull out my next one, and my next one is, ooh, yeah. I love hemps in general. The body lotion, honestly, unless it's the original, is not really, really good. But I'm excited to see what this smells like. It is citrine crystal and quartz. That's her birthstone.
Wow.
That's her birthstone, actually. So that's what it looks like. This is a very good size to throw in your handbag or, you know, have out for a weekend or something. Ooh.
Oh
It's
my
open.
God.
I like the way this bottle looks, though. Look at that. It's so pretty. Yeah, don't waste it. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like that orange stuff from Yankee Candle that I like. Oh my God, it smells like honey and like citrus and honey.
Citrus and, I don't know, I'm smelling a hint of cat pee.
Of what?
Cat pee. The more you rub it in, I guess you could smell more orange.
Oh, it smells like pineapples.
Oh yeah,
Pineapple and citrus. Yes, that's what it smells like. Oh my God, I love it. I love that. I think that's the product I picked. I don't remember because now I'm like back to the product page that you picked stuff from. I'm seeing all this stuff, so I don't know. We'll see. What's your next?
Oh yeah. So I have the Murad Essential C-Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30.
That's a good brand too.
It's very tiny.
Super tiny. But let me see. Open it. Let's see what it smells.
Oh.
Now she can use it. I don't know if she uses sunscreen that much.
I
Do
am
you
supposed to,
sunscreen?
but sometimes, yeah. Can't really smell anything. All I smell is the citrus.
Yeah, me too. The
Smells
citrus
so
is
good.
strong. Okay,
Your turn.
my turn. Then I see this larger package right here. This looks familiar to me. I'm pretty sure, no, I'm pretty sure we've had this before though. I think I got it as like a highlighter or a blush or something from this company specifically. But it's nice and bubble wrapped, which is good. And it's by Space Case Cosmetics. So it's vegan, cruelty free. I don't know what the color is. Like, oh, maybe it's called Space Food. So that's what the package looks like. It's really cool. Let me open it. Oh, this is eyeshadow.
Oh wait, I think you gave that to me.
Did I?
Yeah, because that highlighter is like really good, but I don't think that's a highlighter.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is eyeshadow. It's a pretty large pan of eyeshadow of a color that I just probably, I won't use. I'm not even going to swatch it because I'll probably just save it for a giveaway unless you want it. I don't think you'll use it though.
I think that would be...
She hoards makeup and doesn't use it. So yeah, that is cool. I mean, if it was something that I really like, you know, was into, like a blush or a highlighter or like a contour or something. But yeah, I'll have to save that for a future giveaway.
Then I got this hair mask.
By Verb. That's another good company too right there. So
got
that's
some good stuff.
I think she likes hair stuff. Like she would like hair stuff more than I would. She does masks and all kinds of stuff all the time. And then my last thing for the bag.
Oh, you brushed
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And then she's just reminding me of something. But no, this is the second to last thing that I got by Benefit. It is the 24-hour brow setter. I think I actually did pick this one now that I'm remembering. I did actually pick this specific product because I want to try something else besides the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel, because I have the Dip Brow Gel and it makes my eyebrows really itchy. So I'm hoping, this is a pretty big size. I think this is the travel one. I don't think this is like, because usually I have the sample ones are like this tiny. So this is a really, really good size in order for me to try to see if I would like it. And this packaging is so cute.
It's very
super cute. Oh wow, I haven't tried that yet. Yeah, I have not tried that one before.
Is this
that doesn't
a brow gel?
Oh, I thought it was a color. Brow setter. Yeah, it just sets your eyebrows.
That's really good though, that brand.
Is it?
Yes, it is. I have it.
Well,
but I can't open it, that's all. My last, yeah, I can't open it. It's very hard to open. So I haven't used it. And then I got this Pixie
by Petra.
lip. Yes. So, oh wow. Is this a
yeah,
gloss?
put it on your lip.
That
is really
I really
pretty.
like this color. Oh my god. Very minty
That
too.
is
I think
really
this is
pretty.
a plump.
Is it?
It's very spicy.
Let me try it a little bit. Let me try it on my lips. I have something like a little lip stain.
That's a really pretty color. I like that color.
Ooh, it smells minty.
It's kind of spicy.
Is it too spicy? I don't like things like that.
It's not too spicy, but it's like
minty or spicy?
both. I don't know. Maybe I don't know.
Oh, where's the? Is that your last thing?
This is my last.
Or you
thing.
have that?
We should compare.
Yeah, I have one last thing. So, show yours too.
Ooh,
These are our last products. I know, I love this brush. Like, I am jelly. I wish I had her brush better because that one is a Pixie one. Not Pixie, yeah, Luxie. It's a Luxie brush. And look at this little indentation right here for
Do you want to trade?
ergonomical. Yeah.
Okay.
I love this brush. I have a couple of these already. So, yeah, hold on. Show them this one. Like, this one's really cute. It's all sparkly, and it has this little cute fluffy end right here, and it's nice and tapered.
I don't have a brush like that. I don't have a brush
This
like
one's more like fluffy, yeah. This one's more like precise.
So this is good.
So, yay, I'm happy we're trading. So, what do you think about the stuff that you got?
I like it.
Do you like everything?
This.
Like, you'll use everything, even the powder and everything?
Yes, I'll probably use this instead of my Fit Me powder.
I like...
But this one's my favorite one.
Yeah, that's a good one. I think I definitely like my bag better. I don't really care for this product, but I do love this. And then, what else did I get? Oh, the Hemps.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that smells
these
really good.
products, I know I didn't get the brush, but, you know, just a brush in general. Like, I love my products so much. This was such a good month, I think, all in all.
Yeah, I think my stuff's pretty good.
Yeah. So, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you want to see more of me. And hit a thumbs up for me and my beautiful daughter right here. She's
You
so
better.
beautiful.
I'm just kidding.
And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.